Hey there! Accidentally wiped out your recent call history on your iPhone? No need to panic. There are a few tricks to get it back. I'm here to guide you through the process step by step so you can recover that call history with Restore from an iCloud backup. Check your iCloud backup. Then open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, tap on your name at the top of the screen, then tap on iCloud. After that, scroll down and tap on iCloud Backup. Tap Backups. Select your iPhone from the list to check the date of the last backup. If the backup was created before you deleted your call history, move on to the next step. Restore your iPhone. Open the Settings app again. Then tap on General. Next, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Erase all content and settings. Confirm that you want to reset. Make sure you have a backup before you do this. After your iPhone restarts, follow the setup prompts. When you get to the Apps and Data screen, tap on Restore from iCloud Backup. Choose the backup that includes your call history, and that's how you can recover your deleted recent call history on your iPhone. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop a comment below. Thanks for tuning in.